One arm, top scoop.
Holy cow. These are really good.
No, let me have one.
These are really good.
These smell really good.
Which one are those?
Dark fudge chocolate chip kettle corn.
Oh wow, so there's like fudge on these ones.
Yeah.
It's so cool because it's like not just one piece of popcorn, it's a couple stuck together.
Eat it.
That's really good. That is really good.
Want to try one, Chris?
It's like the perfect amount on each one. How much are these?
99 cents.
That's a good deal.
They're 99 cents at they're 99 cents at Walgreens. And they're limited edition, people. So you can't get these all day. Yeah.
Why? We make so much money.
I know. But maybe if everyone writes to them and say we really want these,
We should do that.
for real.
Because those are cheap and delicious. That's better than kettle corn. Oh my god, now I'm addicted to kettle corn. Wait, it is kettle corn.
Yeah.
No wonder why it's so good. Chocolate and kettle corn. Who would have thought?
I'm not even show you.
That looks so good.
It's a big one. Those were delicious. What do you think, Elaine?
They were really good. I agree.
If they were around all the time, would you buy that?
Yeah, I mean, if you like kettle corn, you like chocolate, just...
You got it, you got it.
It should
they're
go
really
together.
good together.
2005, Federation's girlfriend pregnant.